Welcome back. My name's Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, you are going to learn semen retention facts. A few things that I need you to understand. This is crucial if you are starting out trying to do this retention journey, if you are in the middle of it, if you are in insane weeks and months of doing this, you need to hear this. This is super important. All men have to have this knowledge in their arsenal. So before I begin, I want to quickly announce that there's a link called Buy Me a Coffee. You can support my work. You can book a coaching call where I'll walk you step by step, in depth, through whatever you're facing. Sky's the limit, man. I hope to see you there. Now, what do guys always say? Look at my comments. Look at the comments of guys being like, I've been retaining for 300 days. I've been retaining for 5 days. It doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't matter. When I started doing this, I was so fucking obsessed with the benefits I was gonna get, how long I was doing this, how long is it gonna take, and then it created this identity. This is fucking wrong. This is so dangerous. It is compulsive. It is toxic. You do not want to go down that road of creating an identity of yourself around semen retention. Now, no FAP is the beginning stages of semen retention. Curing your compulsive disorders, not looking at porn, the addiction you have to masturbation and porn and fucking social media and all that shit. Now, when you climb out of that, there's another hurdle and wall that you will face, which is the benefits, the outcome of semen retention. One main thing that you will have to let go of, you have to let go of your results. Because, look, man, none of that matters. I wish when I started this journey, somebody would have told me, man, the girls don't matter, the money doesn't matter, the success, all that shit doesn't matter. None of that matters. You don't do retention to think about retention. Because that's where I was, man. It was always on my mind. I was always trying to get away from things that would trigger me. I was always trying to, relieve myself of the urges, the addiction. It becomes an addiction. It is another compulsive behavior that you put an outcome on that never gets fulfilled. Another thing that I was so focused on that continually ran my mind, that forces you, it fucking sucks. It forces you into this identity of yourself. Don't relapse, don't relapse, don't relapse. And then you put that emotion of fear, okay, with your results. You see how this works? Your results and this outcome become so ingrained in you because you back it up with the emotion of fear. I don't want to relapse. I don't want to do that. I don't want to have to go through this. I've worked so hard. Okay. This is where you're just switching one compulsive behavior to another compulsive behavior that is controlling you. It becomes your master. You do not want that. That's not the purpose and goal of this journey. This journey is to, in the first stages, reprogram your mind. The dopamine, the urges, blah, blah, blah. We know this. We know this. The later stages are where it gets hard, man. This is where the hang-ups start happening because you don't even realize it's happening. It's like this ninja shit that seeps into your mind. And all of a sudden, one day, you're like, holy shit, I don't feel different. I don't feel different. That's why I always try to preach to you guys, fuck how long you've been doing this. Why worry about relapsing? Stop looking at videos that tell you if Watch this video if you're about to relapse. I'll save your life. Who fucking cares, man? You have urges. You are human. If you are in the later stages of semen retention, this is not for beginning stages, no fat, compulsive behavior, and you're trying to cure that, fucking have some discipline, period. But in the later stages, you gotta just let go of that bullshit. Listen, do you want this to happen? You will create a resistance bond around your identity. I don't want to see you go down this road. This is where you can fall right back in to fucked up behavior and your life will get worse. You use this fear to back up your results. This emotion will force you to create an identity. That identity is somebody who does not... You sticking with me? Are you still with me? You do not ejaculate. Do you want that? Do you want to create that identity about yourself? Because that is fucked up, man. In my opinion, I don't want to live my life for years and years and years without ejaculating. I want to live life and have fun. I want to be with actual human beings and have fun. That, in my opinion, is an attachment to a toxic identity. I don't want that. You have to find out what you want in your life and what works for you. Something that will help you with this is learning how to meditate. I say this every damn video. Learn to meditate. It's saved my life. It will save you as well, man. It takes your existence and your development to another level. Another level. It all seeps together. When you put meditation in your tool belt, whew, it's madness. It's madness, man. How do we release these blocks? How do we actually meditate, use breathing techniques, visualization, stuff like that in the correct way to elevate to a higher level of consciousness? I'm gonna have a free, absolutely free masterclass, boot camp, webinar, and it will teach you step by step everything you need to know. That way, when you come back to watching my videos, everything makes a little bit more sense. That way, you can keep it rolling. You don't just use my content as a quick fix, okay? That dopamine spike of, oh, I learned something, and then not do shit. Now, I'm giving you no excuses, man. No excuses. The meditation will elevate you. It will take you to another fucking level, especially when you get good at it, and in turn, oh my God, you can do some shadow work. You can release blocks, ancestral blocks, childhood blocks. So many things can happen that will just make your existence fucking skyrocket. It's amazing, man. That's what I want for you. If you want to support my work, if you want to book a one-on-one coaching call, click that link, man. I'll see you there. If you like this video, like it, man. Share with your friends. They need to hear this. Get this information out there. I'll see you in the next one, man.